We're building something here. A complete journey into algorithmic trading from the very basics all the way to a professional level. If you are looking for shortcuts, quick profits, or easy money, this is not for you. Because this series is about depth. About understanding, not guessing. We're going to build your foundation, then take you to the intermediate level, and eventually turn you into a disciplined, system-driven trader. And no, this doesn't happen overnight. So if you're serious, if you're ready to learn this the right way, hit that subscribe button. Today is day 11. Let's continue the journey. Welcome back. If you've been following this series, you already understand how important structure and discipline are in trading. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important concepts in trading: stop loss and target. Most beginners focus only on profit, but ignore risk. And that's exactly why they fail. Imagine entering a trade without a stop loss. The market goes against you, and instead of exiting, you keep hoping. That small loss becomes a big loss, and sometimes it wipes out your account. Stop loss is simply your exit point when you are wrong. It protects your capital. For example, if you buy in your support, your stop loss goes below that support. Because if price breaks that level, your trade idea is invalid. Now let's talk about target. Target is where you plan to exit in profit. If you're buying, your target is usually near resistance or liquidity. This brings us to a key concept: risk to reward ratio. If you risk 100, you should aim to make at least 200. That's a 1:2 ratio. A trader with good risk management can be wrong many times and still be profitable. In algorithmic trading, stop loss and target are predefined. No emotions, just execution. This allows you to practice strategies and see if your system works over time. So remember, stop loss protects you, target rewards you, and risk management keeps you in the game. If this video added value in your life, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.